In this video, I will show you how to cancel auto renewal on Whop. So what you need to do first is you need to make sure that you are logged into the account where you want to cancel the auto renewal from. And after you have done that, you need to go ahead and click on this profile section at the bottom left bar. And then from here, you need to click on memberships, and there you can find all of your subscriptions. And if you want to cancel auto renewal on Whop, then what you need to do is you need to select your subscription in here. And as you can see, I do not have any subscription, but I can still tell you on how to cancel your auto renewal because it's really easy and straightforward. So go ahead and select that subscription where you have it turned on right now. And then you need to click on cancel subscription. And once you do that, you will automatically cancel auto renewal. And currently there is no option to manually cancel auto renewal. You just need to cancel the entire plan. And if you want to have the idea to cancel auto renewal for your plan, then what you need to do is you can just go ahead and get this plan, and they need to make sure that you cancel it before the end of the month so that you do not pay for the next month already. And if you do this, you won't have any auto renewal on your Whop, but you need to be sharp and you need to do this yourself. And that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.